Hello students, so welcome back to our English morphology class, and today we will discuss about another part of morphology with me Pavivian Muslimin, that is about derivations. So firstly I need to think about how many morphemes that you can find in this word. We have disintegrationalisms. So we have learned about free morpheme, bound morphemes. Now think about what is the root or the free morpheme of this word. Think for a while. Okay, perfect. So you could find that there are five bound morphemes here and one free morphemes. And the free morpheme here is integrate. And the bound morpheme here we have some affixes like prefixes and suffixes like ion, all, ism, and s. So in case of the change of this word from the root to the bigger one, so we can see that there are some types of transformations like integrate here is a verb. This integrate, you can say that it is a verb too, or integrations noun, integrational adjective, integrationalism is noun, integrationalisms is also noun. So when you take a look at these transformations, so you could see that the word changes in syntactical class of the word. So from verb to noun, noun to adjective, adjective to noun again. And also in terms of meaning, you could see that there are some different meanings because of these transformations. So what is derivations then? There are some ideas. So derivations is a morphological process by adding affix to form new words syntactically and or semantically. So there are two possibility changes. The first is the change of class of word and the second one is the change of meaning. So according to Kalantzari 2015, a derivational affix, something which is added to the base, is actually differs the part of speech in classifications. So part of speech can change because of the additions of derivational affix. I have another example here. So I have the word activations here. This word is actually developed from a very simple root that is called as act as a verb. Then you add a suffix here if it changes into active, and it is the class of this word change into adjective, or syntactically this word change. Next one, when you add another suffix ate, it changes into activate, and this one also changes again from adjective into verb. When you add another suffix like iron, then the word changes from verb into noun. It becomes activations. So here, syntactically, this word changes from a very basic to another syntactic class of word. And also in terms of meaning, of course, this word changes in meaning. There are some types of derivation in morphology. There are some changes like noun to adjective, verb to noun, adjective to adverb, and noun to verb. So we have some examples here like when we add some suffixes like suffix full, change from noun to adjective, help into helpful, and then all, recreation to recreational. And when we have another types of derivational affix like ans, so it changes verb to noun like accept to acceptance and so on. When we have another suffix like li, clear into clearly means that it changes from adjective to adverb. And also vi, glory to glorify, it means that the word changed syntactically from noun to verb. Another syntactical change happens in like suffix ness, sad into sadness. Verb change from able into dreamable, dream to dreamable. So it means that the syntactical class of word change from verb to adjective. And when we add another suffix like is, so the class of word change from adjective into verb. So modern to modernize. In terms of meaning, so of course when you add some suffixes like ness, li, able, and so on, there is a changed meaning of the word. From, for example, happy is adjective, then when you add ness, the change, it becomes likely to be happy, so it changes into happiness or noun. And also when you have an activity word like right, this is an active verb or action words. Then when you add suffix it changes from some an activity into someone who does something, or the actuator or the actor of the word. And next one, when you add another suffixes like um, us, for example. So like joy is actually noun, then you change into joyous. The meaning or semantically, the word change into having the quality of joy. When you add another suffix like less, for example, so it means that the meaning of the word will be negated. Fruit into fruitless, the meaning from something positive into negative, or like for example we have care into careless is also in the same thing. So we have discussed about derivations here. So the thing that you have remember, derivations, there is a change in maybe both semantically and syntactically, but sometimes it only there is a change in semantic meaning. So thank you very much for the attentions. Keep learning morphology. See you later.